Look, it's 2018.
It's already left Boston.
Come on, look down. Look at my phone. Plug it out in, please.
Nick, come on. Yeah. Guys, quickly.
Plug in my phone.
Jared, Evan, Joey, guys.
Guys, come on, look. Get in the photo.
Nick, Jared. Yeah. Quickly, we gotta wait. Okay, let's do it over here now. Let's do it over here because I want to get the.
Here comes One Ox Neck Road.
Oh wait, hold on. Yeah. One in. Joey, Jared.
Take the picture.
Come on, Jared. Evan.
Oh, those rail fans at One Ox Neck Road. It was cars parked. There we go.
Yep, definitely rail fence.
Does that look good?
Jared, your hair got in my ear.
Look at that. That's why I look at this.
Oh, yeah?
This is bad music. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Shut it off.
I thought you hated 406. You're moving over it.
What is that, 406?
Yeah.
Wow.
406.
Jerry, you're using my charger, right?
Yep. I don't know why I'm phoning over. I said I was sick of it.
Wait, if 406, why aren't they putting 406?
Yeah.
Rigby Yard. Yo, what if we saw the
Guilford. I love that train.
Yo, what if we saw the was it the Pan Am's was it C40 paint ones?
That'd be amazing.
There's something over there that was smoking.
The engines are usually parked at the north end of the yard.
There's an engine over there. I can see it smoking.
Yeah.
Look at the Pan Am boxcars.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're in the Smurf paint job.
Yeah, Pan Am parks all of its locomotives on this side of the
Southern Hopper.
on the north side of the yard.
All these, Jared. All these cars could have came all over the country. You don't even know where they came from. Pan Am, Wisconsin Central. Pan Am, the dark blue.
Yeah. What if we see Pan Am locos? Well, the Pan Am C40.
Oh, 7552.
C4-8s.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
501, 515.
No,
CS6.
no, look.
Federal Railroad Administration.
FRA, the FRA train. The FRA train.
Holy cow, it's the FRA.
Yeah.
See, freaking FRA. You know, I saw that in the Downey. Was it back in 2013, right?
Portland Yard.
I've never seen that.
Portman Tower.
FRA train. We just saw it. The FRA train.
Yeah, I already seen it. I just not in camera.
I just got it on camera as well.